What is going on, guys? Happy Sunday for all of you around the world. It is Sunday afternoon here in Australia, or early evening. It's 5:24 p.m. and I'm going to shoot this video as a broadcast soon, so when you'll be reading it, it'll probably come through email or YouTube. And I just wanted to be completely authentic and transparent today, because on social media, you know, we can all look like we have our shit together, and we can all look like we have amazing days all the time. But today was one of those days where I just wasn't feeling good. I was feeling a bit down, feeling a little bit sad, feeling a little bit overwhelmed, like I've got so much to do, so much to achieve, and just in my mind, it feels a little bit overwhelming today. And these days are normal. These days happen to everybody. And I wanted to be completely transparent and authentic to let you know how I deal with that. Because first of all, we just have to acknowledge that that's normal and that's a part of life. It's giving us contrast in life. Without these moments of being down and feeling sad and feeling, you know, a little bit stuck, or you know, having a little bit of doubt and fear about what you're doing, where you're going, when you're dreaming big. And this is normal. And without these, what we would normally quote as negative feelings or emotions, are actually very positive, because they allow us to appreciate the good so much more. When we are feeling inspired, we are feeling happy, we do feel like we got our shit together. And you know what it does, how I deal with it is I had my time out to acknowledge that, and firstly sit with it and go, hey, okay, why am I feeling like this? Then accept it and go, okay, well, it's okay. Now what? You know, what now? So instead of lounging around, like what I used to do was just binge on Netflix, go and get some chocolate, binge on Netflix. So I avoid that now. And what I did is I chose to go for a walk, listen to motivational videos on YouTube, some personal development audios, start feeding my mind with the right things. And then I just did a prayer to God and the universe, whoever you speak to, and ask for clarity and vision and support and courage and everything that I need to feel good in this moment and to appreciate this moment. And it was beautiful what happened. I started to stack the things that I feel good about, that I appreciate. My beautiful girlfriend, my life, my amazing friends. I had a beautiful breakfast with my best friend this morning, went past and saw my dad this afternoon, and just started surrounding with people that I love. Started thinking about people that I love and care about the most, and the fact that I still do have so many great opportunities in life. And I just started to change my focus away from the negative feelings and emotions that I was feeling, started focusing on the things that I appreciate in my life right now. And then the magic thing just happened. I just got back from the shops. I just went for a walk, and I was walking to the supermarket down the road, and I walked past a homeless man, and I just thought, that's sad. And then I went into the shop and I bought myself some water, some coconut water, and a couple of things for dinner tonight, some lemons, to have some lemon first thing in the morning and whatnot. And I walked down and I was like, this guy needs it more than I do. Like, I'm in such a better position than this guy. Why, how selfish of me to not feel happy and grateful with my day. So I decided it's a time to give. The act of giving is probably one of the best things that you can do when you're not feeling great. I was stressed about finances at the moment. Like, I'm not sure what was happening in the future, and although I'm not necessarily in a bad position, it doesn't matter. You still have the same stresses as when you're dead broke and you're a millionaire. You still have stresses with finances and with problems that you're facing. It's just how you deal with them, right? So I went to this guy and I said to him, hey mate, are you hungry? Oh, no, I'm okay. And I was like, well, how would you like to have $50? And you know, the expression on his face, I pulled out the $50 note and his eyes lit up, and he looked at me and he was just like, thank you mate, thank you so much. Oh, really, thank you. I can't believe it. Thank you. You know, I just made his day. You know, how many meals he's going to feed. He might be able to feed himself for the next few days and not have to worry. Like, his stress is just getting the next meal, probably picking through bins and picking out scraps. And, you know, it's not about why he's there. It's not about what he's going to do with it. That's out of my control, and that's not my responsibility. But my responsibility was, I saw someone that was less fortunate, and I had a moment to help, give a helping hand. I had a moment to share. Had a moment to give and help somebody. And I walked away from it and just felt like a liberating feeling, like a weight was lifted off my shoulders. Like, wow, you know, that was beautiful that I could do that. And just straight away, like, put me in a much better state of mind myself. I just started feeling a lot better about my day and myself. So this video was about the act of giving and helping the less fortunate, and that no matter what position you are in, there is always someone worse, and there is always something to be grateful for, and always something to appreciate. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video. It's nothing to do with business, it's nothing to do with anything else. Like, with my videos, I want to provide my life, my everyday life, and I'll try and throw in as much value as I can with business and what I do with that, because at the end of the day, if you're here watching these videos of mine, you have shown interest in building a business with me, in running an online business. And by being completely authentic and transparent with you, I want you to see me for who I really am, and I want to build this trust with you so you can see and believe that I am a real person and I do have a good heart, and by you investing in me, I will be investing in you in return. So these moments, I wasn't going to share that. I wasn't going to talk about giving. I wasn't going to talk about my bad day. I was going to say, I'm not going to do a video today. I'm not going to do an email to my list today. I'm just going to skip it. But that's not how it works. It's how you show up every fucking day, no matter how you feel. And it's a little pat on the back. For me, it's something that I can go, hey, you know what? I'm going to celebrate this little win. Because this little win, when you feel down and you're not having a good day, and then you can still have the courage to get up and do the little things, the daily tasks that you got to do, they're the bigger wins than when you're feeling good. It's easy to do work. It's easy to work on your dreams when you feel good. It's hard to work on your dreams when you don't feel good. That's where the courage comes in, and this is a win. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and just remember, there's always a place to give for the less fortunate. And thank you for watching. I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye for now.